Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing hydroponic farming, a revolutionary approach to agriculture that's taking by the world by storm. This method is not only sustainable but also highly efficient, making it a great option for both hobbyist and commercial farmers. So, sit back, grab a drink and join us as we are exploring the world of hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming is a method of growing plants without soil using nutrient-rich water solution instead. This type of agriculture allows for the efficient use of resources, higher fields, and a controlled environment, making it a popular choice for urban and indoor farming. By regulating temperature, light, and nutrient level, hydroponic farming offers a way to optimize grain, grow and increase the food production. The technology has a potential to revolutionize traditional agriculture, providing a sustainable solution for food production in a world facing a growing population and limited arable land. How do we produce enough food to feed everyone? The answer may lie in a method of agriculture that's growing in popularity: hydroponic farming. Hydroponic farming is a method of growing plants without soil, using a nutrient-rich water solution instead. This type of agriculture allows for efficient use of resources, higher fields, and a controlled environment. The biggest advantage of hydroponic farming is the ability to control the growing environment. We can regulate temperature, light, and nutrient level to optimize plant growth. This leads to higher fields, a healthier plants compared to traditional soil-based farming. With hydroponics, we use up to 90% less water than traditional farming, and we can grow crops in urban areas, reducing the need for transformation and increasing access to fresh, locally grown produce. Hydroponic farming also allows us to grow crops year-round weather conditions, making it a sustainable solution for food production. Hydroponic has the potential to revolutionize traditional agriculture, providing an environment. Production in the world facing growth, population and limited arable land, and there's more hydroponic farming than just its benefits. This method of agriculture also offers a wide range of options for farmers and growers. Another benefit of hydroponics is that it can be more efficient use of space compared to traditional farmers. We can grow more crops in a smaller area, making it a great option for urban agriculture and indoor farming. There are several different hydroponic systems to choose from, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. For example, there's the nutrient film technique, where a thin film of water with nutrients flow over the roots of the plant, and the deep water culture, where the roots are suspended in a nutrient-rich water solution. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has given you some valuable insights into hydroponic farming and its benefits. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on sustainable agriculture. Leave us a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future topics. And until next time, happy farming. Thank you.